Wow, yeah, anyway. So, Abhay, we have been watching you acting on the screen with the other directors and producer. Now you are a producer, so you are the owner of the movie itself, should say. So, how different is working as a producer and as an actor?
You get how different is it? Like, yeah, because I'm the producer on my own film, I can't throw tantrums anymore on set.
Yeah, I mean, it's just कितनी liberty मिलती है as a producer and being an actor.
Producer, I mean, और अलग-अलग responsibilities होती है ना, marketing, budget, distribution, वगैरह वगैरह. I mean, as an actor, ये सब questions तो वैसे भी हम पूछ ही लेते क्योंकि हमारे भी interest है कि हमारी film audience तक पहुँचे. But उस पर कोई control नहीं रहता है हमारा. As a producer, आप और भी कुछ कर सकते हैं. I think as a producer आप sacrifices ज़्यादा करते हैं as compared to as an actor. तो जो भी बाटर में मिल रहा है वो हम ले लेते हैं, जहाँ पे भी प्लेटफॉर्म ज़्यादा बड़ा मिल रहा है वहाँ आ जाते हैं. तो एक ज़्यादा कमिटमेंट दे सकते हैं हम एज प्रोड्यूसर एक्टर. बट इट्स अ टफ जॉब. दोनों साथ करना आसान नहीं है. इनफैक्ट मैं तो चाहूँगा कि मैं अलग एक दूसरे प्रोड्यूसर के लिए एक्ट करूँ और एक दूसरे एक्टर को अपने प्रोडक्शन में काम दूँ. ये मेरे लिए आइडियल होगा.
Well, Preeti, her name is Preeti, no? So,
Hi.
I guess this is your first movie?
No, this is my second.
Okay. So, just could you just please tell something about your role and how was it just working with Abhay? Since he is the producer, he's the owner. I mean to say, how much he was just he was just holding on the script and all that. How much he was कितना interruption रहता था उनका जो है.
So what he means
Oh,
is
okay. How much did he interrupt? He didn't interrupt at all. The good thing about Abhay is he lets the director, do her thing. And equally with me as well. He just give me my space and let me do my thing really. So that was great. A little bit about my character. I played the role of Samara Patel, and she's been dancing since she was like really little. So she's moved back to India from abroad, and the reason you'll see in the film. And she's very passionate. She's ambitious, and you see her journey through the film, and you see how she's. How people at one point get stuck and they're wondering what is going on in life. She hits that point, and then you see if she actually climbs out of that box or not.
Abhay, hi, here, Pooja.
Hi.
Abhay, as a producer आप पहली बार काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन काफ़ी कुछ आपने फेस भी किया पहली बार ही. तो अब आपकी फिल्म इस फ्राइडे रिलीज भी हो रही है, तो क्या आपको क्या लगता है कि जो प्रमोशन के लिए टाइम इतना कम मिला है तो उसके वजह से फिल्म पर कोई इफेक्ट पड़ेगा उसका?
म्यूजिक अभी रिलीज हुआ है और हम सब जानते हैं कि म्यूजिक कितनी मायने रखता है एक बॉलीवुड फिल्म की मार्केटिंग के लिए. तो मेरे पास सिर्फ 5 दिन ही मिले हैं इन टोटल रेडियो प्ले के लिए. मुझे अभी पता चला है कि iTunes पे फाइनली म्यूजिक लॉन्च हो चुका है, लेकिन अगर आप सर्च करें तो आपको दिखेगा, फ्रंट पेज पे नहीं दिखता है. पर कम से कम आ तो गया है. तो वहाँ पे शायद कुछ असर पड़ा होगा या नहीं होगा, मैं श्योरली कह नहीं सकता हूँ आपको. वो तो फ्राइडे को मालूम पड़ेगा मुझे. मैंने एक स्टैंड ज़रूर लिया है. आई थिंक मेरा एक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू था. एज ए प्रोड्यूसर मैं एक मुद्दे के बीच में फंस गया था. मैंने अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू बता भी दिया और अपना स्टैंड भी लिया. उसका फ़ायदा ही हुआ है जितना सपोर्ट मुझे पूरी इंडस्ट्री से मिला है. मतलब कि म्यूजिशियन से, रेडियो स्टेशंस वाले जो हैं, टीवी चैनल्स वाले हैं, जिन्होंने मुझे सपोर्ट दिया, वो इंस्पिरेशन मिली. तो कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा तो निकला ही है उससे. मगर जब सारी म्यूज़िक कंपनी, सिर्फ एक ही नहीं, सारी म्यूज़िक कंपनीज, प्रोड्यूसर्स गिल्ड और म्यूजिशियंस एक टेबल पर बैठकर एक हल निकालेंगे, तब ही इसका कुछ फ़ायदा निकलेगा. क्योंकि ये मुद्दा मेरी फिल्म के बारे में नहीं है, ये ज़्यादा बड़ा मुद्दा है, फिल्म से भी बड़ा है. अब मेरी फिल्म के साथ क्या होगा, अब हम जितना कर सकते हैं कर रहे हैं. कम से कम हम अपनी म्यूज़िक को अपने आप एक्सप्लॉइट भी कर सकते हैं, तो हमारा लिमिटेशन नहीं है. अब आगे जाके देखेंगे इसका कितना फ़ायदा निकला है, और फिल्म के ऊपर भी डिपेंड होता है वो कैसी फिल्म है, रिव्यूज़ कैसे आते हैं. सो लेट्स सी, होपफुली सब अच्छा ही जाएगा. मैं पॉजिटिव हूँ.
अभय, do you believe any publicity is good publicity? Because आपके केस में बहुत clearly दिख रहा है कि negative भी हुई publicity तो भी काफी eye catching थी, लोग notice कर रहे हैं आपको.
Any publicity is better than no publicity. I can tell you that much. I am not of the belief that any publicity is good publicity. I'm one of the last people to do that. In fact, मैं publicity कम ही करता, मेरा PR इतना ज़्यादा होता नहीं है और मैं थोड़ा shy हूँ मीडिया से तो मैं कम करता हूँ और controversy से दूर भागता हूँ मैं. यहाँ पे मैंने खुद अपने आप पे ले ली थी वो बात और मैंने क्यों किया था क्योंकि मेरा बिलीफ था कि some publicity is better than no publicity and that I definitely stand by कि some publicity is good better than no publicity इतना मैं कह सकता हूँ.
Abhay, at the same time that you were facing this problem, Shekhar Suman faced a similar plight with Heartless, where his music also was not released. But he kind of chose a different stand. He went ahead and replaced the singers, very contrary to what you did.
Yeah, but that's exactly what the point I'm trying to prove is that whether, even if the issue is on the surface between the companies and the musicians, producers will continue to be affected by it. And then it's really up to the producer how he wants to go ahead from there. And it's a very difficult place to be in. So whatever Shekhar Suman may have chosen to do, whatever I chose to do, we did that for the interest of our movie. Because we have put in our time, effort, money, reputation at stake. And like I said, this is a big issue larger than any one producer. So as individuals, we have to do what is necessary for our movie, and you have to respect whatever the producer chooses to do because it's not a very easy position to be in to begin with. So we do what we need to. So Shekhar did what he needed to, I did what I needed to.
Okay, and if we can just understand where we stand right now, because I do know that Viacom put out a statement saying that the matter was resolved. So from your end, where does it stand right now?
The matter for 1/2 is resolved. And by that, I mean to say the music rights have been transferred now to Crescendo and Unisys. So Crescendo will be distributing the CDs, the physical, which I hope is hit the market by today. It's very short-term, notice that they have got it in. And Unisys will be doing the digital release, which is like I just told you, it's audioandghana.com. It's on iTunes now, and I'm sure all the other platforms may also be hosting the music, so you can buy it now. So the fact that we were allowed to take our rights back and exploit it is the only solution Viacom and I could come up with. And I'm grateful and I'm thankful that the music company allowed us to do that.
Just one last question before we wrap up the Q&A session. Yes, one. That's not a question, my friend. Yes. Sir, how many questions are you asking? Okay, one question, last question for you.
So Devika, as it is a big director-producer said that actors are the workers for the director. Actors are the worker for the director. I know. So this time actor, Mr. Abhay, he himself is the producer, means like owner. So
How can you be a worker and an owner at the same time? Or how was it to do that?
So how much you made him work on your instructions and all that? कितना उन्होंने follow किया आपके according to you?
Yeah, basically, during the entire shoot, Abhay did not perform the role of the producer. That he left to his partners in Cynoja and IE Films and Viacom 18. And on set, he was only allowed to be an actor, so that he could concentrate on his craft.
Fabulous. So with that, I wish you all the best for 1/2, and I think it's going to be a massive hit. Do not forget to catch the movies on the 31st of Jan. That's a Friday. And do not forget to log on to www.bewakoof.com to get your very own 1/2 t-shirts exclusively on